Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the RoverTac Tactical Folding Knife and Multi-Tool. I think you're going to like this. In addition to everything it does, it also comes with a 9-pack of screwdrivers. This multi-tool knife comes with so many things. You've got your knife, your needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutter, can opener, bottle opener, screwdriver bit adapter, and a 9-in-1 screwdriver bit set. Another thing I like about this knife is it has some heft to it, a little bit of weight, and I like that. It feels like you actually have a good knife or multi-tool in your hand, like a tool ready to do work. Of course, this multi-tool has all the standard items that you would expect in a tool like this. I really like the way the pliers work on this tool. I really like this RoverTac knife slash multi-tool. I think you will too. So if you are looking at this for yourself, I hope you found my video helpful.